Lucky Lad Farms has planted 500,000 tulips, creating the largest pick-your-own display in the Southeast. The Tennessee Tulip Festival runs March 14th through April 12th, 2026 on Rocky Glade Road in Eagleville, just 40 minutes south of Nashville. Stroll the rainbow rose, then snip your own stems to craft a custom bouquet or that perfect Instagram moment. Weekends bring acoustic sets from rising Nashville artists, plus Dutch-inspired stroopwafels, poffer cheese, and more farm-fresh bites. Warm spring temperatures are pushing blooms earlier this year, so peak color may arrive and fade faster than usual. The 60-acre family farm opened in 2009 when Jason and Amy Ladd turned their love of agriculture into a destination for 150,000 visitors a season. Because tulips last only 2 to 4 weeks, tickets are limited and online purchases save time. Dig Your Own Bulbs continue April 1st to 26. Secure your spot today and catch a sea of color before it disappears until next spring.